Hi guys, my name is Logan Viken. I'm with Thunderstruck BMX and this is my bike check. To start it off, we have ODI grips with ODI caps, and we have Verde bars, 8.5-inch rise with a Verde stem. Going down to the frame, it's a Verde Theory frame, 21 inches. We have a Fitco seat with a stolen thermalite seat post. The cranks are Verde cranks with Verde seat pedals. The pegs are just black steel pegs. Going down to the tires, they're Odyssey Chasehawk tires. They are 2.4 inches from a previous rider from Thunderstruck BMX. The rims, they're salt rims. That's it.